guys, welcome to my vlogs Yavantaka 17. Today it's an exclusive video about India's favorite helmet brand AXOR, India's most popular helmet brand, which emphasizes on safety first, and it comes in a lot of various variants and designs and colors and shapes. Today we'll get you through all the models of AXOR. So guys, AXOR helmets has been in India for quite some time, and they have been a great supporter of motorsports and athletes all over India in various forms of motorsports such as track racing, off-road, and so much more. And it is also motorsports' most trusted brand and very popular amongst motorsports athletes, and they sponsor a lot of events and support a lot of talent that is coming up in India. So I'm very excited to make a video exclusively on the brand AXOR. So with no further ado, let's get to the video.
Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope everyone is doing fine. Now I'm here to take you through the AXOR collections in our store. These are one of the famous AXOR collections which are available in the market. Starting from this model is called AXOR Retrojet. This is an open base model. It's more kind of a retro helmet. It comes with removable washable padding, and you get DOT and ISO certified. And the visor, this visor is called a bubble visor. If you don't want the visor, you can just remove the visor and put a small peak and use. This is majorly for retro bikes such as Royal Enfield Classic. That's kind of old and retro bikes. Yeah, cruiser bikes and retro bikes just for urban usage, city usage. And here comes forged carbon fiber in the same model. This is little bit upgrade from this. You get some like aesthetically little bit good beading, this thing and all, silver beading and all. And the padding is also very good in this. This comes with a velvet padding. This also you get in bubble visor. This is also DOT and ISO certified, and this is a forged carbon fiber helmet.
Got it.
In this also you can remove the visor and install a peak.
So what would be the weight of these helmets?
Carbon fiber would weigh you 950 grams.
Okay.
Carbon fiber is mainly lightweight, no? This is 1200 grams.
Okay. So some people prefer a lightweight helmet.
Lightweight helmet, urban usage. They have good bikes like Harley Davidson, such kind of bikes, so they use this helmet. Next comes the latest edition in AXOR. This is a new model called Hunter.
Okay.
This is a single visor model. You get a good looking spoiler in this. This is also EC 22.06 certified, DOT and ISA all three certified. And this is a latest graphics in it. Limited edition graphics. This is called Superman graphics.
Yes.
And it comes with the pin lock pre-installed.
Yes.
Anti-fog pin lock pre-installed. It's fully removable, washable. And it comes with a double D-ring fasteners. The weight of the helmet will be very less. People who prefer a small shell helmet, they like the helmet to look very small. So that kind of people can consider this helmet. And you get a visor lock also in this. If you lock it, the visor will not open.
Okay.
Only when you press this button, the visor will open.
The safety feature.
The safety feature. During high speeds, the visor will not automatically open. And it has vents here and two vents here. This is also very good looking cool graphics. There are many graphics in this model apart from Superman. The weight of the helmet is 1500 grams. It's on the lighter side.
Yes, got it.
And there's a perfect helmet for the anime fans out there.
Yes.
There's
Too many these days.
Yeah, too many. This is anime fans. This is a Naruto helmet from AXOR.
Yes.
This is called the Saber model.
Okay.
And this also one good spoiler, one ventilation here, and one ventilation here. And it also has a visor lock. In order to remove the visor, you have to press this and remove the visor. This also has got a pin lock, and it's fully removable, washable. It has got a speaker pockets inside. And it comes with
double D-ring.
No, not double D-ring. This micrometric lock. This micrometric lock, and the weight of the helmet is 1650 grams. And this is also DOT EC 22.06 ISA, all three certifieds. Okay, and you get different shades of visors in the smoke, blue, red, all kinds of shades in this. The price of this helmet is 4770. Next comes the very well known model in AXOR lineup.
Apex.
This is called Apex. There is no introduction for this model. Anyhow, many YouTubers would have reviewed the helmet. There is no need to review once more. This is also a very good helmet which is running in AXOR lineup for the past 5-6 years. This is also a very good model. You get dual visor, pin lock, fully removable washable paddings. You get speaker pockets inside, and this is also a double D-ring helmet. And latest update in this is EC 22.06. Okay. They have updated it to an EC 22.06 latest certification. Before it was 22.05. Yes. Now they have given an update and made it EC 22.06 certified.
So somewhere the standards of the
safety is going high. And next comes the Deadpool edition.
Yes.
This is also an Apex series helmet only. This is Deadpool edition, Marvel series helmet. You can see the graphics. So the Deadpool fans out there, they can check out this helmet if they want. This also
Really cool for those red bikes.
red bikes, yeah, red Ducati, red bikes, mainly red bikes.
Yes.
And you get dual visor in this. Same removable washable padding, speaker slots, double D-ring, one ventilation here, and two upper vent. And this is a spoiler in this. If you don't want, you can remove the spoiler also.
Got it.
In order to make the helmet look a little bit round, if you remove the spoiler, it will look round.
Got it.
The price of this helmet is 6,500 and the weight is 1,600 grams.
Got it.
And you get an extra dark smoke visor with the helmet that comes in the box only.
Okay, we have dual visors.
Two visors.
Yes.
One clear visor which comes installed and one smoke visor which comes inside the box. And this is a Batman series helmet. To all the Batman fans out there, this is a Batman helmet. This model is called AXOR Street.
AXOR Street.
AXOR Street.
Okay.
This is also DOT EC 22.06 and ISA all three certifieds. And you get dual visor in this. The dual visor operating mechanism is here in this. Unlike Apex, the operating mechanism will be here.
Yes.
But in Street helmet, it will be here.
Okay.
And one more advantage in this helmet is the field of vision will be very broad in this. You can see
Yes,
the
yes.
field of vision will be very broad in this. And you get double D-ring fasteners in this.
Got it. So the price of this would be?
Price of this helmet is 6,500. In this also you get an extra smoke visor inside the box.
Got it.
And this is the latest edition in AXOR, Black Panther.
Yes.
This is a Black Panther helmet. This is also based upon Apex model only. This is also Marvel collab. This is also same EC 22.06 DOT and ISI. And you get dual visor, fully removable washable padding, and you get speaker pockets inside. Comes with double D-ring fasteners. In this also you get an extra smoke visor inside the box. The price of this helmet is
AXOR is keeping up with latest generation bikers and giving them what they need with the designs.
they have collaborated with Marvel. They are getting all the superhero characters on their helmets.
Yes.
Like HJC and other brands which they do. The price of this helmet is 6,500.
Right.
And this is the Venom helmet,
Yes,
the lethal
quite
protector
popular.
Venom.
Yes.
This also you get two top vents and one chin vent. This is also a double visor helmet, and it comes with pin lock anti-fog. This is fully removable, washable, and you get 10 speaker pockets inside.
Yes.
This is also EC 22.06 DOT and ISA all three certified helmet, and in this also you get an extra smoke visor inside the box. The price of this helmet is 6,500. This is AXOR X-Cross helmet.
Yes.
This is a full off-road helmet, full MX helmet.
Yes.
And you'll have an option to put the goggles, the MX goggles you can put. And there is also fully removable washable paddings. You get speaker pockets inside. This is also an EC 22.06 DOT and ISA. It comes with all three certifications.
Yes.
If you don't want the beak, there's an option to remove the beak also. There are three turn screws here. You can just turn it and remove the beak. And you get an extended beak also in this.
So the weight of this would be?
Weight of this helmet is 1,350 grams. This will be on the lighter side. Because there is because of the no visor and no inner sunshade,
Yes.
the weight of the helmet will be very less. The price of this is 5,900. And next comes an AXOR dual sport helmet based upon the same off-road helmet. This is a dual sport helmet which comes with visor and dual visor. You have a vent here, and the padding is also very premium. You get a chin curtain and all.
Yes.
The padding color will match the outer color of the helmet. See, this is a red color helmet. The padding inside will be red. This is also fully removable, washable. You get a speaker pockets inside. This is also DOT EC 22.06 ISA all three certified helmets. The weight of the helmet is 1,600 grams. And the one more cool feature in this helmet is you get a pin lock 70 max vision insert included with the helmet.
So it gets really wide.
Really wide. It's called the max vision pin lock. That one will come with the helmet. And in this price range, 7,500 price range, this is the only helmet which provides you with pin lock 70. No other brand and no other model will provide you pin lock 70 with the helmet inside the box.
So maximum visibility.
Maximum
during your
visibility, yeah.
adventures.
Adventure race. Maximum visibility, the visor will not get fogged up.
Yes.
Last but not the least is a carbon fiber series from AXOR. This one also you get in dual visor. This is also pin lock This also comes with a pin lock insert. One chin vent, two top vents, and this is the exhaust vent. This one also has a spoiler, and the weight of the helmet is 1,500 grams. This is also DOT EC 22.06 ISA. It comes with all three certifieds, and the padding is very premium in this. Compared to other helmets, the padding is very premium in this. And you get a magnetic D-ring also.
Got it.
See, it gets locked like this. That's it.
No hassle of pressing.
No hassle of pressing, locking the button, and you get an extendable chin curtain also in this.
Got it.
The chin curtain is extendable. There are two-step adjustment for the chin curtain. For some people, the chin will be lengthier.
Yes.
For them, it will be useful. This is called the forged carbon series.
Okay, with this spectacular marble finish.
Yeah, spectacular, like something like a marble finish, but this is called forged carbon fiber.
Yes, got it.
And in this only we have this carbon viewed finish also. This is called small checks carbon.
Okay.
This also the features, everything is same. It has got a premium padding, everything DOT, EC 22.06, ISA, all three certified. It comes with all three certifieds.
It has the color shift.
Color shift, yeah. The main thing is the color shift pattern in this. It look little bit
Purple to
different,
turquoise.
purple to turquoise, depending on the light conditions.
Yes.
The price of the helmet is 12,000. When it comes to the brand AXOR, they don't compromise on the safety and the quality standards. Basically, AXOR is a premium segment of VEGA helmets. It's totally 100% made in India and it's being exported to 20 other countries. When it comes to safety and quality wise, they don't compromise at all.
And not even on the style.
Not even on the style. Yeah, style is also important, no?
Yes.
Like how safety is important, style is also important nowadays.
Yes.
And availability of spares, everything will be easily available. You can come to us and you can get all the spares. If you have an AXOR helmet, if you're not able to find any spare, you can come here. We'll provide you spare happily. Our store Helmet Mall is located on Urvashi Theatre, Lalbagh Road. We have been serving bikers from the past 30 years. The store location will be there on the description below, and my number also will be there on the description. You can disturb me anytime and ask me for any prices or spares or helmets. And you can come down to our store. We do pan-India shipping also.
So guys, I personally own 2 AXOR helmets and I really love the brand for its cool quotient, the spares availability, the affordability, the safety, the styling, and it's been amazing owning an AXOR forged carbon fiber helmet, which gives me so much bragging rights outside amongst the crowds, amongst the bikers. I'll be bringing more such videos on helmets, riding gears, trails, adventure and whatnot related to motorsports and automobiles. So do like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching the vlog. See you guys.